The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these storms to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, KIH35, serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And, in northern West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. And finally, in east central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast.
There we go.
At 11 a.m. Elsewhere across southwest Pennsylvania, West Mifflin mostly sunny 54 degrees, Beaver Falls mostly sunny 51, Latrobe Arnold Palmer Regional Airport cloudy 54, in northwest PA, Erie sunny 52 degrees, in central and eastern PA,
I did RadioShack only today.
54, State College Hayes 54,